How to join Uber Eats as a restaurant. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to join Uber Eats as a restaurant. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then head over to uber.com. Once you get here, click on the Uber Eats option. Now click on these three lines. Here select Add a Restaurant option, which will prompt you to this page. If you already have an account, click on Already Have an Account option, then you can log in. If you are new, you want to enter all of these details. Start by entering your first name, last name. Now enter your email address, then enter your phone number. Now enter your store address. Then enter your store name. Now enter your brand name. After that, select your business type. You can choose from restaurant, convenience store, grocery store. Select your business type. Then, if you have selected restaurant, you will have to enter your cuisine type. Once you have entered that, select the number of locations. Now, click on the Submit option. Now, you will receive a 4-digit verification code via email. Enter that to continue, then review and agree to the terms and privacy notice. Now, hit Next. Now, you want to choose your service plan. If you want Uber delivery partners to handle deliveries, you will pay 30% fee per order. If you use your own delivery staff, the fee drops to 14%. For pickup-only orders, it's also 14%. There is a one-time $400 activation fee per location. After that, you want to enter your legal business info, confirm your store details, and complete the store setup process. Uber will review everything within 1 to 3 business days, and once approved, your restaurant will be live on the Uber Eats app. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.